Walid and Julia. Oh, hi guys, so we're unboxing this Sweet Shop Mountain, and here's the items.
Sweet Shop Cake Mountain.
Yeah, and here's the items. There's a fork and knife and 2 plates and even molds. There's a flower, there's a heart, there's a butterfly, and some candles.
Okay.
2. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look. I think this.
So nice.
Cheap.
So we're going to decorate.
Look at the color ones out. No, Julia. Look, mommy.
Wow, look at this,
It's a
Julia.
lollipop. Give me the.
Show me.
Yeah, we're just trying to.
That's right. Push this. Okay, alright, ready? And wow! So cool. Now we are going to change that shape into this butterfly.
Oh my god.
Wow, a very cute butterfly. Look. Okay. Press here. Shape and put it here. Put.
Wow!
Close it. Okay,
Oh my god.
This is really... Okay, Walid is busy making shapes. Oh,
A little
pink,
pink because
blue.
and blow it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sing happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. Blow the candles. Please subscribe for more fun times.